Hey there, just want to make a quick video on the Evmos airdrop for Keplr users. I'm one of those people who became eligible for the airdrop by using Keplr wallet with the different Cosmos chains. And I'm only able to claim 75% of my airdrop. I have to unlock that last 25%. And this is time sensitive, right? Because the staking rewards are really high. And then after about a month from now, there'll be a decay on that airdrop. So first thing I'm going to do is connect my wallet, and you could see either Metamask or Keplr. Problem is the Metamask that I've always used is not associated with the Keplr wallet that I always use. And I'll show you how to get around that so you could unlock the airdrop. All right, so my wallet is connected. You could see I've claimed 137 out of the 183 that's claimable. Looks like a lot of people are having this trouble. Right, it looks like only about 20% of the airdrop is claimed. This is probably mainly MetaMask Ethereum users who don't even know they're eligible for the airdrop. Kind of sucks, but that's just how it goes with these airdrops. And like I said, this is time sensitive. If you don't start claiming by, I think it's July 3rd, there's going to be a decay. Here's the airdrop claim page. Now you could see I claimed the first 75% of this. I need to use the EVM to claim the last 25%. That means I need a MetaMask that's associated with the Keplr wallet that was eligible for this airdrop. It's a little bit of a problem, and I was about to give up on this last 25%, but fortunately I'm in a Telegram with the guy who runs the Cosmos Coffee House website. It's basically an IBC/Cosmos resources website. He said, no. This is what you have to do. You need to import your seed phrase from Keplr wallet into a MetaMask. And from there, you can use the EVM and unlock this last 25%. So that's what I'm going to do. In order to do this, I'm going to open up my Keplr wallet from the extension. And I'm going to click the icon in the top right. It brings down all of my wallets. And then there are 3 dots next to each one. That's going to allow me to view my mnemonic seed. And I'm going to write down the mnemonic seed here. And then I'm going to import this into a brand new MetaMask. All right, so I actually stopped the video and I did a couple of things offline that you didn't see. First thing I did was I wrote down my Keplr seed, wrote it down on a piece of paper. Then I deleted MetaMask out of my browser. Then I went back to metamask.io and re-downloaded the browser extension. And then I was able to create a new wallet. However, there is a screen when you're loading MetaMask for the first time. When you're creating the new wallet, it says, no, I have a seed phrase. That's what you click on. You load your 12-word seed phrase into MetaMask, create the password. And now what you have is in your browser, the MetaMask extension with a new wallet that was created from your Keplr address. Here's the problem. I realize that all of my tokens are staked. I have no tokens to pay gas fees. So what I'll do is I'm going to click here, IBC transfer, and show you how to get some tokens into your Evmos account. Either, it doesn't matter if you're going to use MetaMask or Keplr from now on. They're going to be linked even though they're different public addresses. So here I clicked IBC transfer. I'm going to connect my wallet. And here I'm going to get my address. I'll put the Keplr address. I don't think it matters here. So what's going to happen is I do have some Evmos on osmosis. I just swapped some tokens for it. So I'm transferring one Evmos token from the osmosis chain now to the Evmos chain, the magic of IBC. And it should have went through. Let's check. I'm going to open my MetaMask. All right, so I went to the diffusion.fi, Diffusion Finance website. It's asking to connect to my MetaMask. I'll click next. And what should happen is it's going to prompt me. It's prompting me to add the Evmos network. Remember, we're not using the Ethereum network. All right, I'm back on the diffusion website. I had to double check that this one Evmos token made it from osmosis to my Evmos address, and it did. It just took a little while. What I've noticed about the EVM is it's not as fast as IBC right now. Could just be the software, could be the chain, could be just how it is, right? Got to be patient here. Anyway, I'm gonna swap. Um, I'm gonna swap. I don't know. I'll do zero point 0.5. Tiny transaction. And this swap should be enough to unlock my airdrop. It's bringing up my Metamask to confirm. All right, this gives me the option to add diffusion token to Metamask. I'll do this. You can see up here the transaction is pending and needs a certain amount of confirmations, like 15 confirmations, something like that. But we'll wait it out and we'll check on the airdrop. And there you go. You could see my airdrop is 100%. I've got some loose tokens now. A little bit of an issue because I left myself no gas fees. I had to do an extra step, move Evmos tokens from osmosis to the Evmos chain. It shows up in my Keplr wallet and it shows up in my MetaMask. They are the same account, even though they're different public keys. A little bit confusing, but hopefully we get used to this as we use Evmos and learn more about EVMs. Just want to show you this Cosmos Coffee House website. It's thecosmoscoffeehouse.com. They've got a lot of information here for research, airdrops, just a bunch of tutorials. There's even a faucet here if you run into trouble with gas fees. There's a gift shop where you could buy Cosmos and IBC merchandise. And you could join the Telegram where I learned about this strategy and unlocking my airdrop. Figured I'd give them a shout. Here's the Twitter handle, Cosmos Coffee DeFi. Hopefully this video helped you. You got to see how to connect MetaMask to your Keplr wallet. You got to see how to move tokens from osmosis to the Evmos chain. You even got a little bit of a sneak peek on the diffusion DEX, which if you're a MetaMask user, you'll know this looks a hell of a lot like Uniswap. Uniswap's really easy to use, except for the gas fees. Now we don't have to worry about that. I think what I'll do is I'll be a liquidity provider on diffusion. That would be done here. I'm going to save that for another video. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe. It would help my channel out tremendously. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.